Hi friends, welcome to the online course on programming in Python. In this lecture, we are going to see about the if statement. In general, the statements are executed in sequence. The if statement is one of the control flow structure which is used to change the order of execution, which is known as branching. A conditional statement is written using the keyword if followed by the relational expression and a colon symbol. In Python, the indentation is used to define a block. So the statements followed by the if statement should be indented, otherwise it will produce an error. When the first condition fails, if there is a need to check another condition, we can use the elif statement, which stands for else if, to add another condition. There can be a 0 or more elif in the if structure. The else keyword is an optional part which is used to specify the statements that needs to be executed when none of the previous conditions are satisfied. The else should appear only in the end of the if structure. The if statement can be used in different forms. The simplest form of if statement, which executes a set of statements when the condition is true. The if statement followed by the else statement is used to execute set of statements when the condition is true, otherwise execute another set of statements. If followed by the elif statement is used to execute different set of statements based on different conditions, which is also known as multiple branching. We can also use the if statement within another if statement, which is known as nested if. We will see the programs using if structure in the upcoming lectures. Thank you for watching.